Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Well, in this particular video, we are just going to be diving deep into a powerful MT4 tool that helps you trade with precision, and that is none other than the swing point highs and lows indicator. Okay, is a custom indicator, so you'll need to download it from an external site, add it to your indicators library, and after that you can be able to take advantage of the indicator on your chart. Now, this is the swing point highs and lows indicator for MT4. So let's just break down why this indicator stands out and how you can use it to make smarter trading decisions. All right, first off, what does this indicator do? The swing point highs and lows indicator tracks and marks recent swing highs and lows on your chart. As you can see, it tracks and marks recent swing highs and lows on your chart. It highlights major and minor swing points using different colors, and sizes. That means you are instantly seeing where price has reversed or paused recently. Okay, giving you a much clearer view of the market structure. These swing points help you determine where the market momentum shifted and where it might shift again. All right, the moment the trend begins to change, right? The moment the trend begins to change, for example, what we can see that happened around here, right? The moment the trend begins to change, this indicator draws a new swing high or low live, so you are always aware of key turning points. Now let's talk about the added features that makes the tool more reliable. That's the moving average that is built into the indicator. The moving average works as a signal confirmation filter. In volatile market conditions where price can whip back and forth unpredictably, this moving average helps you stay grounded. Right? The moving average helps you stay grounded. It confirms whether the swing you are looking at is worth reacting to or just market noise. If the price forms a swing point and breaks away from the moving average with momentum, that's a strong potential entry, whether you are going long or short. Now, what makes this indicator user-friendly is how visual it is. The major and minor swings are represented by colored cycles, as you can see. Colored circles. All right, represented by colored circles. You can go to the indicator settings and go to the inputs, and you can see the major swing color is purple, the minor swing color is cornflower blue, right? Moving average color is dark golden rod. So basically, as you can see, we have our major swings here, we have our minor swings here. All right. So if you are a scalper, you might want to take advantage of both the major swings and the minor swings. If you are more of a swing trader, you might want to focus on only the major swings. And on the higher time frame, obviously, that's for a swing trader, than for a scalper on the lower time frames. Okay? So this allows you to quickly understand the strength of the movement and gauge whether you are looking at a significant shift or just a retracement. And here's how you can use it. You wait for a swing point to form either a high or a low. Then you check where price is in relation to the EMA, in relation to this moving average. You look for signs of a trend change, a break of a recent swing or strong movement in the opposite direction. Just look for something like that. Use these cues to consider going long or short, depending on the context and confirmation from other tools. So let's say price has been making higher highs and higher lows, like what we can see happening here, right? Say price has been making higher highs and higher lows. Then a major swing high appears, followed by a new swing low. A major swing high appears, followed by a new swing low. And that swing low formed after a breakout from this structure occurred, just like what we can see happen here. You can see there was a breakout from this support trend line, And as a result of that, the price dipped all the way to this point. Okay, so this could be your first alert that the trend is changing direction. You can add confirmation from the EMA crossing over the price, and you've got a potential short setup. So the swing point highs and lows indicator is a perfect blend of simplicity and precision. It gives you a clean visual of the market structure without overwhelming you with too much data. It works on any currency pair, any time frame, and can be used for day trading, swing trading, or even scalping, whatever fits your style. Okay, if you want a tool that shows you exactly where price has pivoted recently and gives you context and confirmation for your trades, then this is a must-have. All right, go ahead and add it to your MT4 setup. Test it out on your demo account first and watch how clearly the market starts to speak. Okay, meanwhile, ensure that you always pay attention to risk management. All right, if you are making use of this indicator, you watch out for good entry points. Okay, for example, if you have a swing high form and then you have a break of structure, a potential reversal, just like what we had here, once you have gotten your confirmation, your breakout has been validated, and you want to enter his trade, make sure that you have a good risk to reward ratio before you even proceed to entering that trade. Let's say you want to enter a sell, stop loss ideally above the recent swing high, then your take profit should be at least times 2 of what you are risking. At least times 2, at least times 2. So if you do not have a good risk to reward ratio, it's better to just stay out of that trade. All right, I recommend a minimum of 1:2 for your risk to reward ratio. Okay, to be on the safer side, so that even if you have equal number of wins and losses, you are still going to be on the winning side. Imagine you are always risking 10 pips to make 20 pips. If you lost 5 trades, you have lost 50 pips, right? If you won 5 trades, you have won 100 pips. So even if you lost 5 and won 5 in 10 trades, you are still going to be in the profit of 50 pips. Why? Because those 5 gave you 20 times 5, that is 100 pips. And those 5 that you lost gave you a loss of 50 pips. So when you subtract your loss from your gains, you are still in a gain of 50 pips. So that's the benefit of risk to reward ratio. If this breakdown helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more MT4 tools and smart trading strategies. Let me know in the comments how you are using swing highs and lows in your current strategy. I love to hear what's working for you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.